Good morning, everyone. We are from Team IN306. We are proudly present the material for our study under the title Poren. Next slide. I am Aulia Azizo as the moderator, and my team.
I am Dava Fauzan Argi.
I am Rizky Anugrah.
I'm Syahda Japani Rasman.
I'm Ronada Soleha.
Okay, the next slide will be explained by Dava.
All right, so for our project is Poren. In reality, poverty is one of the main problem in the world today. Poverty here is not only economic, but moral, intellectual, and mental. This animation was created as form of storytelling and raise awareness about the problem occurring in the world today. Next slide. This is our mood board and character. Next slide. So for the premise story is a slum facing a good crisis. Poren, a poor rat, struggled to save his dying sister by obtaining a share of the government corrupt bread aid. Okay, next slide will be explained by my friends. Thank you.
Okay, this is Poren, the main character. He is a 17 years old gray rat who lost his parents at a young age. Poren is a quiet and introvert, but very responsible. He always tried to protect his little sister Pika no matter what. Next slide. Okay, this is Pika, Poren's younger sister. She's 13 years old and physically weaker than her brother. Pika is shy and gentle, but she's the reason why Poren keeps going on and never give up. Okay, for the next slide, we'll explain by my friend.
Okay, for the next slide is August. August is a typical corrupt officer, right? All he cares about himself. August, who is tasked with distribution rations, takes advantage of the situation for, for his own gain. He used illegal transaction, find the loopholes, and his main design is on the right side of presentation. We can see the turnaround of the character and the reference. Next slide. Next slide is Jack. His backstory is a gambler who justified any means for his own gain. The coin he earns are looting from the other rats. Lottery cards are like addictive drug for Jacks, believing he will find a jackpot for himself. The main design of the jack we can see on the right side and the turnaround, and below it is the reference. Next slide will be explained by Aulia.
Okay, for this slide was the result of our character cutouts. The cutouts include Poren, Pika, August, and Jack. Next slide. And for the next slide here, we have environment for our PBL. We use cool tone for our environment, and the concept is to give a dark impression. Next slide will explain by Syahda.
So this slide is about 3D asset and 2D prompts. We create a 3D model of a slum house. It features with wooden texture with dirty on the lower section with a correct roof and roofing sheet with rusty metal texture. And for the foot 8 pose. The 3D foot 8 pose is model with hand. It include with additional 10 at the front. For the sign is anti-bribery sign. Its sign acts as a marker to indicate that bribery is not acceptable. And for 2D forms, it's about coin, and for the first forms is coin and coin bag. The coin bag is a small bunch that holds coin. The character Jack use them for bribe the character August. And Forest Baton is this is a defensive weapon is carried by the god NPC August to strike anyone who disrupt August. And paperback, this is bag has a craft paper texture and is used to carry bread. And for the bread, this from is a food supply meant for the full rat. And for the rotary card, the character Jack obtains this rotary card for a chance to win the jackpot. And for the next slide, is about proof of concept. There is 5 important shots and animation test, visual effect test. And next slide. This slide contains the audio breakdown for the storyboard. And next slide contains the motion concept about Laban analyst movement. And next slide contains the effect animation for the storyboard. And the last slide is about animation physics. For the animation is about application when pushing the box header, the more energy used to push it, the faster the object moves. And the last is thank you.
Thank you for your attention and thank you for listening. I hope you found this presentation it's insightful. Thank you.